Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to secure your online accounts. With so much of our life and personal information stored online these days, it's more important than ever to take these steps to protect our accounts from hackers and cyber criminals. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Use secure, one-of-a-kind passwords. For each of your online accounts, you should create a unique password that combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and alphanumerical symbols. As a result, it may be far more difficult for hackers to guess your password or to use brute force attack to log into your accounts. Tip number 2. Make two-factor authentication available. Two-factor authentication is a common feature of online services that increase account security. This could entail using authentication software or waiting for a text message to authenticate your identification. Tip number 3. Keep an eye out for unusual activity in your accounts. Checking your accounts frequently for any unexpected activity such as logins from strange locations or devices is a smart idea. This might assist you in identifying any potential security vulnerabilities quickly. Tip number 4. Watch out for phishing scams. Phishing is when hackers attempt to deceive you into providing them with your login details by posing as a trustworthy service. Never click on links in emails or messages from unidentified senders. And always double check the URL of any website you enter your login info for. Tip number 5. Maintain software updates. It's crucial to keep your operating system, apps, and antivirus software up to date, as they frequently contain crucial security patches. And there you have it, 5 important tips for securing your online account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.